Hi guys, this is from Apple Expert, Mac Repair Center, Calgary. Today we received a MacBook Air from one of our customers, had severe liquid damage. The customer took it to two authorized places in Calgary and they told them it is not repairable, it's beyond repair, LogicBoard has to be replaced, keyboard has to be replaced, and the cost of the repair will be over $1,200. Many stores and many technicians, what they do, they just clean the board with rubbing alcohol. Rubbing alcohol will not do any good. So basically, all the corroded chip has to be removed, and the pads has to be tinned, cleaned, and the new chips has to be added. We just added some flux. Now we're cleaning the corroded pads, some wick and solder iron. Now we're putting the new chips. Now we're soldering the LCD connector back after we did put all the chips back. We're switching to the microscope screen here. Just some cleanup after the soldering. Here now the circuit responsible for pouring up the SMC. It had corrosion. We removed it all. We tinned it. We cleaned it. Then we put a new chip back. There was a short on the LED circuit, so LED driver also has to be replaced. And after that, we cleaned the board with ultrasonic cleaning, and this is how it looked like. And we're ready for testing. Now we're going to install the LogicBoard on the customer shell, connecting the LCD screen, connecting the trackpad with the keyboard, putting his hard drive back. Just all what we want to see, the laptop boots, Apple logo on the screen. We're connecting the charger now. I'm not going to connect everything because I don't have to, because if it doesn't work then we have to clean the entire laptop. Then we put it back together. We put the microscope away, connect to charger, holding the option key. Come on MacBook, come on MacBook. Okay, there's a backlight, good sign. Hard drive is here. Let's boot from the hard drive. I'm going to hide the customer name. And here you are, happy Mac. So everything is repairable. And if you guys get any MacBook with the liquid damage or LogicBoard issue, it is 100% repairable. Everything is repairable. If you've been told it's beyond repair, it's not true. You should take a second opinion. We open here weekdays 11 to 8, Saturday 11 to 7. We specialize in data recovery as well. We do data recovery from spinning hard drives, from iPhones. We fix iPhones, and everything is repairable. Thank you, guys.